Okay, so what I'm going to do first is unscrew this and pop this off. That, this, and this pop off. So now I'm going to take this, just this plate off. So I just use my pliers to loosen it, and then it just literally just peels right off. And I'm going to cut these wires. Then I got my wire cutters and I just cut those wires, and then I'm just going to push them back, pull them back through. So then I just push them back through so they're just not in my way. I bought these off of Amazon, and so what I do is I'm going to glue this plate onto this, and then glue this on here. So then when you're looking at it, it just looks like a normal light. I just put this down where it was exactly where I wanted it. Then I just glued around the very edges, and then I glued around the rim as well to make it tighter. Now I'm just gonna hot glue this plate. Then I'm gonna line it up and stick it right there. Okay. So that you just place it down on it, and then just let it sit up like this so that the glue can dry totally. But then it's ready to be hung back up again. Okay, there it is, all done. So super simple. You didn't have to run wires. You didn't have to have an electrician come out. All we do now is when we want to turn it on is we have our little remote to turn it on or to turn it off, or you can even go up and just click on the light, and that's it. So if you want pendant lights but you don't want to pay to have an electrician but you want the look, this is going to be by far your best and easiest route to go.